Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by checking your Asrock UEFI firmware and grabbing the latest BIOS update. This prevents compatibility issues later. Once done, enable Secure Boot in Setup utility, but do not enroll keys yet. Back up the platform key, PK, first. Make sure you have your Windows or Battlefield 6 installer reachable on USB, because you may need signed bootloaders. You're doing this to ensure the boot chain is verifiable, and game anti-cheat modules trust the platform, which reduces failures later. Once in custom secure boot mode, you enroll the PK, then import the key exchange key, KEK, and the signature database, DB. This sequence establishes trust anchors for the boot chain. Make sure to add Microsoft and vendor-signed DB entries so Windows bootloader and Verity drivers are accepted. Next, add the specific signed hash for anti-cheat drivers used by Battlefield 6 if required. This step prevents runtime blocks. If prompts appear, choose to trust and confirm writing keys to NVRAM, because that locks in integrity. You finish by saving changes and rebooting. Then check msinfo32 in Windows to verify Secure Boot is enabled and recognized. If Battlefield 6 or drivers fail to load, first restore your backed up PK or temporarily disable Secure Boot to isolate the issue. Make sure to update BIOS to the latest release and keep exported keys on removable media, because that lets you re-enroll quickly after updates. One key troubleshooting tip. If anti-cheat blocks, revert to backup keys and test signed driver load separately to identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.